You see that fish? Kan na dyan may isang nga fish. Isugayam nga tumabtab-taba. Oh no. Nag-uyong. Kaasipiman. Oh no. Daddy should remove that. Where is that? Where is that? Where did he go? Oh my god. Daddy should remove that fish. Look. Look.
Uyong gito. Sungit mo.
Allah
Pinatay
niya.
mo yan.
Allah niya. Ikasta na kay Piman Diyay. Isugayam nga din makadakal. Oh no.
He's already dead. Mommy.
Allah kasi.
Mommy, the fish is getting,
Piman. Kasi jay fish.
Namatan.
Ni din makadakal isuna kan nagayam lagi jay the fish.
That's why Daddy is saying that. Oh, she's so big. Mommy, it's a little bit now.
Okay. Ni oh. Nag-uyong dating a fish.
Ang
Piman.
nasumpot.